Hi, Phil Hundle here with a project alert. I do these from time to time when projects come to my attention from landowners that are being affected, being contacted by right-of-way agents, seeking access for staking or doing some type of surveying. And so I want to talk today about a TxDOT project. It's in Waller and Harris County. It's the FM 529 is how I'll refer to it as. And it's essentially, as many of you know, FM 529 runs between FM 362 out in Waller County, just north of Brookshire, all the way to State Highway, or I call it Highway 99, in Harris County. And so there's a widening. They're going to widen. Obviously, growth, a lot of growth out in this area of Waller County, Harris County, and so they're widening and expanding a lot of these roads. We've seen this with in Fort Bend County. So this is FM 529, and it's proposing the widening between State Highway 99, FM 362. The proposed improvements. This is the specifically what are they doing, and it's widening these existing FM 529 from 2-lane roadway to a 6-lane roadway with 18-foot raised median between Highway 99 and the Katy-Hockley Cutoff Road. Okay, and then in between the Katy-Hockley Cutoff Road and FM 362, so further out in the country, they're going to widen the existing FM 529 from a 2-lane roadway to a 4-lane roadway with 18-foot raised median, and they're adding 12-foot outside shoulders on the road, also adding sidewalks to both sides of the roadway from State Highway 99 to 362. And then providing turn lanes at intersections and median openings at specific locations. So they're saying the proposed right-of-way would be approximately 180 feet wide. So if you're a landowner on either side of that road, north or south side of that road, you will very much or very likely be affected. There are times when they only take the part that they need from one side or the other of the road, but typically they're taking some from both sides. It varies with what's located next to the highway already or roadway already. Now, this project, like most TxDOT projects, it's been in the works for a long time. If you're in that area and you're a landowner along this FM 529, you've undoubtedly heard about this project, but then possibly you've forgotten about this project or know about this project, but you've been keeping up with this project, but it just seems like nothing ever happens, and that's very typical of TxDOT projects. They had a public meeting on this back in April of 2019, and so now we're in 2023. I will post on the blog textcondemnationrights.com a picture of the map of the project and some more of the specifics about this project. But once again, if you're a landowner affected by this project, you need to know your rights, and you need to know what the condemnor is required to do and what they're allowed to do. And that begins with, they are not allowed to just go on your property without your consent. So therefore, we encourage temporary access agreements so that they can do the surveying that they need. If not, they can go to the courts and get access to do that surveying. So it's something that we will, from the very beginning, work with you and the condemnor on getting the appropriate temporary access agreement in place. And then also, in this situation, a TxDOT taking, looking at exactly what road improvements will be affecting your property exactly, and if there will be any denials of access, that's important to know, and just really what the project looks like on your property, what culverts are going to be placed, what will be the effect on drainage. Typically, TxDOT doesn't improve drainage or adversely affect drainage, is at least what they say. And so that's other factors or other issues that we're going to look into. But once again, if you're affected by this project, know your rights, contact an attorney that handles condemnation proceedings, eminent domain proceedings, so that you can better understand the process. Once again, early on in the process still, even though this project has been talked about for a long time, as far as the condemnation proceeding process, it's still very early on. But if you've been contacted by the right-of-way agents, then it's time for you to contact an attorney to help you throughout this whole process. Good luck.